Hey there, eco-hero! Did you know that water and energy are best buddies? They work together to keep our world running. First, let's talk about energy. We use energy to power lights, charge our phones, and even make cool things like video games work. But did you know that to make energy, we need water? At power plants, water helps cool down the machines and spin turbines to create energy. Without water, we wouldn't have as much electricity to power our homes. Now, water needs energy too. We use energy to pump water from rivers, or pump groundwater, or to desalinate seawater, clean it in treatment plants, and send it through pipes to our homes and farms. So, energy helps water get to where it's needed. Just like we need food to stay strong, water and energy need each other to keep things running smoothly. Here's the tricky part. If there's not enough water, we can't make as much power. When we waste energy, we use up lots of water too. But don't worry, you can make a difference. By saving water and using less energy, you're helping keep this awesome water energy team in balance. Remember, water and energy are a team, so let's do our part to keep them both safe and strong. Together, we can make a big difference.